You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, WNG689, serving Porter Township, Paraiso, Rensselaer, and Hebron. The current time is 12:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
This proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service warning alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially equipped receivers can be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers, by the system, are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there's a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted of the National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and warnings affecting all counties for north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and alarm tone, we are very ever give a location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from a transmitter, can occur if you know using a good quality receiver and good perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. Well, now return you to regular program.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station, WNG689, broadcasting for weather information for Hebron, Paraiso, Crown Point, Morocco, Rensselaer, North Judson and LaPorte, 24 hours a day, on a frequency of 162.50 megahertz for a transmitter in Porter Township. This station will also broadcast severe weather alarm tones for northwest Indiana, including Porter, Lake, Newton, Jasper, Pulaski, Starke, and LaPorte counties in Indiana. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service broadcast office of Romeoville, Illinois. Visit us on the web at weather.gov/Chicago